Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. When you speak of a conman, one name echoes through the corridors of betrayal. Emerson Mnangagwa, a man so delusional that he mistook the suffering of a nation for his personal inheritance, so cunning that he wrapped deceit in the language of patriotism. Zana pina mashoko kubuda panguva ino avanakiri namujati panguva ino havasi kana kutombonyara panguva ino kana kutombotya vachiataka the top leadership nyika nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Mujati anoendera achiti he promised reform but delivered ruin, preached unity while planning division, spoke of peace yet governed through fear. A true conman does not need to steal with his hands. He steals with his smile, his words, his staged humility. Mnangagwa has perfected that art, using looted riches to corrupt men and women to sing and tell fake narratives of praises, turning the hopes of millions into the currency of his ambition. ED grabbed a nation not to build it, but to drain its spirit, to bend its institutions until they saved only his shadow. Today, Zimbabwe bleeds not because of war, but because of deception. A deception so great it wears the mask of the liberation itself. The people will awaken, for even the longest lie collapses under the weight of the truth. When that dawn comes, history will remember Mnangagwa not as a liberator, but as the greatest conman ever to hold a flag hostage. Unoenda chete Emerson, taramba kushungurudzwa nenguva pakati pevane raramo. Ndomashwa anobuda panguva ino achitogwa aiwana Kirina Mujati achiataka aiwa zvigananda panguva inachionekwa kunzi zvakaacquire mapositions not to save, not to spread peace, but to destroy our own nation. But now the question remains, are we Zimbabweans going to remain silent about this? Tiona nyika yedu awa ichidestroywa each and every second. Muri Zimbabwe tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Apa pinda comment section medu uzwa mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.